go to question 3. We are now doing question 3. Wow, good job. What can you say about these sets, A and B, if we know that A union B? So we know that A union B is equal to A. In other words, if you unite A with B, you still get A. So that means everything in B should be in A already. Like B has nothing to give us. Because when we unite him with A, we are still getting A. So what it actually tells us is that B is a subset of A. So you can say B is a subset of A. That's what it means, okay? You can say B is a subset of A, okay? It is a subset of A because everything in B is also in A. B is changing A nowhere. And remember, of the subsets, there is an empty set. So B could be an empty set. But we know that it is definitely a subset. Whatever way it is, we don't care.